Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use clean energy charging on your iPhone. So first of all, let's enable this feature. But before we start, I need to mention that this feature is only available in the United States. So let's go to battery section, and here let's select charging section. So please make sure that clean energy charging is on. And some requirements so that clean energy charging was working, that you have to enable location services. So you need to go back to homepage of settings and select section privacy and security, and from here go to location services and please make sure that they are on here at the top. And then next that you have to enable is in the system services. You will find system customization, so please make sure that it's on, and additionally you have to enable significant locations and routes as well. It should be on. Please set it to on. And some information how this clean energy charging works. So your iPhone receives a local grid carbon emission forecast, and your iPhone charges only when cleaner energy is available, such as during off-peak hours. So yeah, that is basically how it works. And additionally, I forgot to mention that this feature is designed to work where you spend most of your time, for example, at your home or at work, so that to avoid issues while traveling, for example. So you need to have permanent location. So that's how it works. That's how you can use clean energy charging on your iPhone. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.